Lockbox by me. Goal. My goal was to make a safe. Design. In my design, I have 5 buttons which do different things. The first 4 buttons are used to input numbers. The last button makes the lockbox lock. Build. In my build, I have 5 buttons, MF and nail wires, resistors, a servo motor, and a Raspberry Pi. This is my program. Those top ones is setting everything up. The bottom ones are if statements. Test. I tested it about 20 times. The hardest problem was the box wouldn't lock. I fixed it by adding an if statement that checks if the password is the same length as the guess. You think. If I had more time, I would change nothing. Demo.
Press escape. So can you explain what's being printed on the screen right now?
So I'm putting in the password and then it opened and then I'm gonna lock it now.
Great.
Any questions?
What was your favorite part of the project?
The building.
Building? Okay.
Any more?
Let's give him a round of applause.